Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the Ford Transit Custom short wheelbase low roof. It's a late 1363 reg, it's a limited spec. It's got the parking sensors, alloy wheels, upgraded alloy wheels in black, roof bars, spot lamps, air conditioning also on this vehicle. There's also no VAT to pay on the price. It's 10995, no VAT to add. The vehicle has been in a Category S insurance claim somewhere along its lifetime. So Category S, so take that into account while you're looking at the vehicle. Has had an accident claim at one time or another. But nice clean van all round. It's been privately owned. It's in the Panther Black. Comes with a free JS Vans warranty offer at the screen price. No VAT to pay. It's done 92,000 miles. Nice clean van all around. Few small little scratches here and there on the bodywork, but as you'd expect. But heated seats, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox. It's got the leather steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth, armrest seat. You've got storage under this seat as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Roof bars fitted there. It's had the wheels upgraded at one time or another. It's got the black, bigger alloys fitted there. A few small scratches on the side here where it must have had some stickers at one time. They just scratched the paint a little bit. Cruise control and Bluetooth. Anything else you'd like to discuss over the van, give us a call, drop us an email. We're open 7 days a week. But do just take into account the vehicle is no VAT to pay on the price, and it has been in a Category S insurance claim somewhere through its lifetime. Okay, thanks for tuning in and hope to speak to you soon.